If you're trying to revitalize an interior space, you might wonder about the role that different colors can play in that goal. In this guide, we will explore the best paint colors to brighten a room. Some shades of certain colors can have a positive effect on your room. If you're looking for a color that'll brighten your room, then have no fear. There are plenty of those. No matter what kind of room you're trying to freshen up, the color of paint you choose will significantly affect how that room feels. The sheen of paint will also play a significant role, but that's a different conversation. We hope to break down some of the most common color options in this guide to help you make this major decision. White. White is one of the most common base colors. Why is this? Well, the answer lies in the fact that white paint is seen as a default paint color for any room. There are a lot of reasons for this. White draws in natural light and brightens your room by making the space feel more vibrant. It makes rooms feel bigger by giving the illusion of more space. Plus, it's a default color of sorts. That means that even if you have an eclectic mixture of furniture and art styles, a white backdrop can lend a sense of cohesiveness to your overall design stylings. White is timeless and classical and an excellent pick for any room color. Blue. If you ask someone for their favorite color, there is a good chance they'll say blue. For whatever reason, people like this color. There are some well-documented psychological effects that we can make note of for this. Namely, that blue has been found to elicit feelings of calmness. Blue rooms can take in a bit more light and emanate a sense of soothing relaxation. This cool color will literally and figuratively brighten your space by making people feel at home. Red. Red is a visually striking color that will elicit a reaction. It's noted for its aggression and overall imposing feeling. It can be a great choice to brighten up any interior space. However, you will want to be careful about what hue of red you choose. Darker reds can make a dark room feel a bit more claustrophobic, especially if there isn't a lot of natural light. You should err on the safer side and use a lighter, almost pinkish red hue to brighten your space. The size of the room can also play a role if you want to paint it red, and, again, so does the amount of natural light. Ultimately, you'll want to go with a color you like. Just make sure you know what you're getting into first. It might be best to consult a professional before going with red as your pick. They may recommend using it as an accent wall instead of painting all the walls a vibrant red. Green. Green paint is an excellent interior color if you're trying to brighten up a space. It naturally attracts a lot of light and can make rooms feel a bit bigger than they are. Green can also evoke feelings of calmness and peace. It's no secret that lots of things in nature are green. Since it's proven that being in nature can make people feel more relaxed and at home with themselves, it's never a bad idea to try to bring that nature into your home. The shade of green you end up choosing will play a big role on the overall feeling of the space. A bright green, containing more yellow, may promote feelings of energy and movement, while a softer or darker shade, containing more neutrals, can give a slower and more calm feeling to the space. Yellow. Can you picture yellow on your living room walls? While yellow might seem like a daring pick for an interior color, this warm color can produce a magical effect when done right. Yellow paint can help rooms feel more energetic and dashing. They are especially ideal if a room feels drab or lackluster. A yellow or gold shade amplifies light and adds a homey feeling to any room. Yellow paint also works in just about any room. It can inspire designers in a home office, bring feelings of community and companionship to a kitchen or dining room, and make hallways feel less cramped. Is bright yellow a bit too much? There are plenty of less in your face yellows to choose from. Try using it as an accent color in a room with a neutral color or choose a lighter shade. Beige. Beige rooms are on a bit of a decline, but that doesn't mean they're out just yet. A beige room can do wonders for making a room feel more inviting. There's a reason that beige, eggshell, and off-white paint colors dominated much of the 20th century. Beige paint is a safe choice to amplify spaces to feel more open and bright. Beige walls are also highly practical. They will do an excellent job hiding scratches, stains, and other unwelcome eyesores. Beige and off-white walls offer a flexible space where the highlights are the decoration of the space versus the walls they sit inside of. The paint color you choose for your walls will depend highly on your personal preferences. If you're trying to brighten up a dark space, then there are some colors that you just shouldn't go with. These include black, dark purple, and burgundy. Scientifically, it wouldn't make sense to go with these. Choosing a light color is a better idea in a room without a lot of natural light. However, many colors will do a lot to brighten up your space. Just look at your furniture and overall color scheme to determine the best choice for your living room, dining room, or bedroom. If you like bright paint colors but are hesitant to go all in, start with an accent wall. Once you figure out what designs will work with what you have, you can choose your bright paint colors. We hope that this video was helpful to you and that your newly painted rooms feel as open and bright as you'd like them to be. Please be sure to like and subscribe so we can continue making more helpful content for you. Until next time.